My name is Patrick Benson, and I'm the Deputy CFO of GENFIT. So as Deputy CFO, most of what I do relates to financial reporting. Our investors have entrusted us with their resources. And so the first piece of that relates to ensuring that there are good controls and there is a good control environment to protect and safeguard those resources. And then the financial reporting piece of that is ensuring that as activity occurs year over year and semester over semester, that we properly report what is occurring in our business to ensure that our investors are up to date on what we're doing and how their resources are being used. I started with GENFIT in November of 2022. There are many skills that you need to properly do this role and any role at GENFIT, but I think if I had to describe one key competency that is required for this role, I would say an excellent working knowledge of IFRS, which is the accounting standard which governs GENFIT. And the reason that I say that is because GENFIT is listed both on the US stock exchange, the NASDAQ, and the EU stock exchange, the Euronext. You need to have excellent working knowledge of what are the current regulations, not only in the SEC, but also in the AMF. This role requires an excellent foundational knowledge of technical accounting skills to be able to ensure that our financial statements and notes are presented properly to our investors. There is essentially a rule book that everyone has to use, basically all around the world, and that is the accounting standard, which is IFRS. My family, first and foremost. Honestly, I think GENFIT is just a really exciting place to work, and the biotech industry in general. And so as we expand our pipeline and expand our research, I am just incredibly excited to see where the research takes us so that hopefully we can start bringing products to market and improving people's lives. I will also say, as an anecdote, one of my regrets in life is not having been a scientist myself, but I will say that as an American CPA, this is my way that I feel I can contribute to the mission of GENFIT, even though I'm not directly involved in research. For me, GENFIT is bravo. And the reason that I say that is because I am in constant awe of the people that I work with, not only because of their intelligence and their work ethic, but also just their commitment to GENFIT's mission of finding solutions to unmet medical needs. I'm just incredibly excited to see what lies ahead for GENFIT, and I'm just excited to be a part of GENFIT's mission.